I mean, the fact that they are such spectacular scientists who are known around the world, and at the same time they are so kind and so accessible, is really, I think, a very special thing about this place and the kinds of people who are attracted to this place. Lee, for example, I met him when I was a senior in college. He called me into his office and we had a conversation. And at the time, I knew nothing about systems biology, and I knew very little about biology in general. And I left this conversation feeling so excited, so stimulated, that, you know, when he offered me a job a few days later, it was, you know, it felt like one of the greatest things that ever happened to me. And of course, I've spoken with him many times since coming here and working in Nitin's lab. And Lee in particular has the kind of, he has the kind of vision, he has the kind of prescience to see things beyond what often the technology in a given moment can actually reveal. And he told me certain things in my own project. I was describing to him this little peculiar thing that we were seeing happening upstream, all these genes in MTB's genome. And I said, I don't know what to make of this. This is such a weird thing. Is this just some artifact? And he gave me an idea of what he thought it was. And he said, I'm gonna bet you that this is what it was. And then sure enough, that idea kind of sunk somewhere in the back of my mind. I didn't know what to make of it. I didn't know why he thought that. And then months later, we started sort of coming upon research and evidence that showed that that seemed to be exactly what we were looking at. And now that's part of the manuscript, that's part of the paper. Lee is that kind of guy. He's really just, he's a genius. And it's been hugely inspiring to be able to, effectively be mentored by him while I've been here.